sa ating Feeling Wow, Looking Wow, Mr. Zoom. At siyempre, for today, yung pong non-winner will get 2,000 and the winner will get 5,000 cash. At siyempre, pasok na siya sa ating weekly finals which are gonna be on Saturday. Siyempre, sa ating mga weekly finalists will get 15,000 po sa ating winner ng every Saturday. At siyempre, sa monthly winners natin, monthly finalists natin will get 25,000 cash. At etong pinakamagandang good news sa ating mga kapamilya ng Halsal Service Room, ang grand finals naman po ay siyempre, third runner-up will get a trip to Cebu for 2 and 100,000 cash. Yung third runner-up yan. Second runner-up, trip to Boracay for 2 and 200,000 cash. First runner-up, trip to Hong Kong plus, at dalawa kayo, plus 300,000 cash. Gano'ng katindi yan, ha? Third, second, at fourth, at siyempre yung first. At ito, at ang magiging Mr. Zoom 2008, ito magandang news. Meron kang trip to Singapore for 2, meron kang 500,000 cash, at meron kang brand new car. At hindi lang yan, nagtatapos yan. Aba, tuloy-tuloy na ang maganda mong career dahil pag ikaw ay nanalo ng Mr. Zoom 2008, ikaw ay isa na sa mga talents, nila Piolo Pascual, nila Chandler, nila Bea, nila Claudine, kasama ka na sa Storm Magic! Ang ABS-CBN, nako! How to join? Panoodin po natin ito.
Oh, the baby boy! Oh, do. Ah, do.